Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Check the NVR model and firmware, confirm its LAN IP and gateway, and ensure you have admin credentials. Once done, assign a static IP or DHCP reservation so the address won't change, and set DNS so the device resolves properly. Next, enable the NVR's remote access feature and create a dedicated admin account with a strong password. Doing this now avoids later breakage and gives you a stable base to open ports or configure NAT. Now configure your router to reach the NVR from outside. First, create port forwarding rules for the NVR's HTTP/HTTPS and RTSB or custom video ports. Choose unique external ports to reduce automated scans. Once mapped, test local access using the external IP and port. If available, enable UPnP for automatic rules, but make sure it's secure. Better yet, configure a VPN to the LAN so you don't expose ports. Make sure firewall rules allow the forwarded traffic and log attempts for later review. Finish by testing remote access from a different network. Use the external IP and port or your DDNS hostname and verify you can view live streams and playback recordings. Once confirmed, harden access. Enable HTTPS, change default ports, and disable unused services. Make sure automatic firmware updates or scheduled backups are set. If something goes wrong, first recheck NAT and router firewall rules, then confirm the NVR's local IP hasn't changed and inspect device logs for authentication or port error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.